Hi guys, today is Thursday. It's my TRX day. Yeah, this is a TRX. This is my fifth kit. I already broke off the 4 bends, stretching and working out. So this is a new one. It's a TRX Force. It's a lovely kit.
Hello, Mr. Amanshu. How are you?
He's a good friend.
Good.
This is a big guy.
I'm telling you, this guy is ageless person. His top is age, and he's gonna rock. He's gonna rock the world. I'm proud of him.
Yes. He's been a great trainer. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, guys, I start my TRX workout doing some warm up. So for me, this tree is very auspicious. I do many exercises here. So here I'm going to twist my body 25 times left and right. So everything opens up, the joints and cartilages, everything. Yeah. So it's like this. Full stretch. So like this I do about 25 reps. Do the leg stretch here. Doing a full stretch. Now I do on the other side. I do 12 times each. So I'm ready now. I do the side lunges.
Morning, Amanshu sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All fine?
Very good, sir. Knowing you from last 12 years, thank you so much for giving me this such a beautiful gym with high oxygen level in the world and the world's biggest gym. Really thankful. Really thankful to you all actually.
Virendra is a wonderful guy. We know each other from a long time, and he's all well built, sculpted body, and does a dynamic workout. And one has to just see, it's all appears like impossible workout. We are yoga mate, gym mate, garden mate, every mate, right?
Actually, life mate. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This was to open up the chest and give a full stretch to the chest, the shoulder blades, the arms, the collarbones. This workout is great, as it says, make your body machine. So this TRX is a great workout. The full form is total resistance exercise. Yeah. I was going to bring a collaboration with this company, but the talks broke down. They flew down here from US to here, and we had a 4 days of discussion, but commercial talks broke down. But anyway, it's a great workout. It aligns with my practice of yoga. Guys, that was cross lunges. It is again a multiple effect. That's the beauty of this exercise. It works on multiple parts of your body together. So this works on the thighs, the ankles, the calf, the core. Most important is the core. Okay, and also the arms. And again, when you twist your torso, it works on your obliques too. That was one leg chest press. Again, it works on multiple parts of your body, mainly on chest, your biceps, and the legs too.
How are you?
Oh, great. What
Nice to see you for a long time.
Oh, yeah. How's it going? Huh?
Good, very good.
Guys, this is my friend Sudesh, wonderful guy, and he's the one to bring Kangen, the water purifier, into India. It's known to be giving amazing results.
It's a
Right?
water ionizer,
Yeah.
changing people's health immediately.
Yeah.
But I can tell you one thing: this man is also changing people's life over here because the kind of workout he does and the kind of resources he has about how to take care of your health and how to do your take care of your body, amazingly good. And coming here every morning at 5:30 in the morning and on the beachfront with lovely air and breeze and right things and meeting people like him, it's an awesome feeling. And
We really all feel blessed.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
It's a paradise for us.
it's a
right?
paradise. This
Yeah.
place is actually good. There's so abundance of resources over here, so many good teachers, including Himanshu sir, who's got so much of information, so much of knowledge about everything from yoga to gymnastics to how to keep yourself healthy, fit throughout your life with the simple equipments or no equipments at all. Like amazing person, I must say. Everybody who's watching this video should meet him personally. You'll know what he's all about.
Yeah, I want to have many friends.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Charles, I'll take a leave. Thank you very much, lovely. Thank you, guys.
This one is Skin the Cat. It's a killer one. One feels like as if it's an attack with a sword on the abdomen. It just squeezes you out totally. Great. This one is the world's smallest gym. So I'm going to use this world's smallest gym in the world's largest gym. You can do amazing workout with this small rubber band. Okay, it's known as a resistance band. Hardly cost about 300 or 400 rupees. So I'm going to do chest press now. Hi Sachin. All fine, all fine. Sachin is a great guy, and yeah, he's always ready for any of our activities on the beach.
Yeah,
He donates generously and being very supportive to any activities. Yeah, and he does some activities with us also in gymnastics or yoga.
Yeah.
Right.
yeah. No, I mean, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. I've been coming here since almost 20 years, and I don't feel like leaving and going this place at all. You get super inspired when you see people like him. You know, at his age, he's doing flips and doing yoga and spreading his legs, doing all sorts of things. So you get super inspired, and then there are a lot of amazing activities that happen on the beach. Somebody's doing gymnastics, somebody's doing yoga, somebody's running. So like every day there's a lot of variance that you can actually get. Yeah. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing, and it's great to like meet new people. You know, you understand what people are doing. So yeah, it's been amazing coming here every day.
I'm just spreading my wings, so I have lots of friends.
Amazing. Yeah. No, he's got a great vibe here. He must have a great vibe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was shoulder press. Yeah, good for the deltoids, shoulder blades, and for the chest too. Again, as I said, this small gym can do wonder. Whenever I travel and I don't get any time to do workout, I just do it in my room with the help of this small gym. Yeah, here comes my best buddy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice seeing you. As usual.
So,
Great.
what's your plan of workout today?
Just doing free hand
Great.
stretching. A bit.
Lifting your body.
Yeah, lifting my body. Learning from you. My best guru. And a friend.
Always.
always nice to learn something from Mr. Mancho. He is a great inspirer. As usual.
Again, I'll do my signature pull-ups with Padmasan. This one was atomic push-up. It's a killer push-up. It works almost on the entire body, but more on the chest and the arms. I do 2 sets of 12 each. Hi.
How are you?
All great here. Long time no see, buddy.
Looking very young. 16 साल के लग रहे हो.
अरे वाह वाह, ही इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सी कितना बड़ा बोनस दे दिया, 16 साल का.
Really हो, बहुत young लग रहे हो.
नहीं आते हो आजकल?
अभी स्टार्ट किया हूँ.
गुड गुड. ये गार्डन जो है ना, एक ब्लेसिंग है. यहाँ जो भी आता है यंग बन जाता है, बच्चा बन जाता है.
मन से
अंदर का बच्चा बाहर निकलता है ना.
ताजा हो जाता है. हर एक रोग जो है ना,
हाँ,
मन से भगाया जाता है.
एग्जैक्टली. ही इज़ अ ग्रेट फ्रेंड. फॉर एनी ट्रैवल प्लान्स हमारे लिए टिकट्स सब कुछ अरेंज कर देते हैं एट एनी गिवन टाइम. वंडरफुल बडी. This one is great. It strengthens your willpower, get rid of the fear, and of course the flexibility, core strength, and the strength in your back. Only then you can do a little bit of crunches.
It's called Batman.
Batman. Yeah, it's a Batman workout. Huh? So, कैसा रहा Batman? मस्त. So the Batman, real life Batman. That was a rowing pullover, good for the back. for the strengthening the back, basically. Because when you change over from lower body to upper body, it's better to do the back exercise. Okay, now the next one. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah. So, how's the workout going?
Good.
Yeah. All great?
Yeah, good.
You come every day, right?
Yes.
How you find the place and everything?
It's quite good.
Very good place.
By the way, he happens to be my friend's son. Yeah. My friend doesn't come. He comes. He gave a nice trick to make some pocket money from his father, you know. I told, you keep a penalty clause with your father. Yeah. Okay. 500 rupees. If you don't come, you have to pay me 500 rupees.
He was supposed to come today, but
You can make easily 15,000 bucks every month.
Nice one.
Yeah. So you feel inspired here and
Yeah, quite a lot. Seeing all the people around here, you feel inspired to do,
Motivated and
great.
Yeah, good.
Thank you. Yeah. Keep on strengthening yourself.
Thanks a lot.
Good for the biceps. Yeah. It works on your deltoids, core, and of course the thighs and the calf, and the chest too. But more on the deltoids and the abs. Hey Sharan, how are you? Good. Son, so that's all great. Yeah. Sharan is our Surya Namaskar group member. Yeah. He started doing variety of workout like me. He does yoga, gymnastics, and he's busy kindling the child within, right?
yes, totally, absolutely. Yeah. Doing everything and just staying as active as possible, and the core of it all is yoga. Always, of course.
Okay.
Surya Namaskar I started with Sir. He got me into yoga actually. I used to watch him do Surya Namaskar and I got so inspired. And so yeah, thanks to him I got into it. And we used to practice regularly. Every Saturday he has his classes, of course. But additionally, I got so inspired. I used to do it regularly with him once in a while. And because of him, I got into the practice of doing it so vigorously, which is 12 intense Surya Namaskars, which take about an hour to do or more sometimes. It's so intense because of him I started doing it for a whole year, thanks to which when I did an advanced course, I was prepared for it. Otherwise, I would have fallen flat. I had the stamina to sustain the advanced course. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome,
Thank you so much.
welcome. Hey, buddy.
hi Himanshu ji.
Strong
Great
guy.
early morning. Great day for you. Wish you all the best for your day today.
Thank you.
So it is always a nice early morning head start for us, because we meet and whenever we meet, we are full of the positivity, energy of the morning, where you know that you have to finish up your things, your daily routine regime, your training, and then you have to head to your work and whatever the day's work you have. So that's how we are friends. That's how we became friends, and life is good. We have fun.
Belong to the same community,
Same
right?
community,
Fitness
yeah.
community.
Fitness
right?
community. Yes, yes. And it's always a mutual admiration society we both have.
Exactly.
I admire him. He admires me probably.
Of course. Of course.
And
It's always mutual.
yeah. And life is always fun when you are healthy and strong and you feel good about yourself, isn't it?
Oh, of course.
You know?
Feel young, energetic,
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. And there's a film which I've seen earlier called Curious Case of Benjamin Button, and then I started writing about it. I really loved the film of Brad Pitt film Curious Case of Benjamin Button. So I'm making an Indian version of it, and that Indian version is called Curious Case of Himanshu Mehta. Because in that film, the protagonist starts off from the age of 62, 65, and by the time the film ends, he is shown as a guy who is in 20s. So that's why it's a curious case. He in the film he has aged reverse. So I see this man and he's also doing the same thing. He's also aging reverse. On a serious note, I mean he has improved. I know Himanshu ji for last
4-5 years, I think.
5-6 years now.
5-6
Yeah.
years, yeah.
And I can see his fitness, what he was earlier and what he is now. So it is all the more, and that's why it's always nice to meet with a positive energy, positive mindset guy. And for me, positivity is the key. So thank you, Himanshu ji, for
Always
your
a pleasure.
being a great friend of mine
Thank you.
and a support system and encouragement for each other. Yeah.
Can I try your lunch?
Yeah, surely,
Oh,
surely.
great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Trying
All
after
yours.
many years, friends. Yeah. So. I was a great fan of Bruce Lee, so yeah, when I was 16 or so, I used to keep a nunchaku. So I'm trying maybe after 30-40 years probably. Thank you, buddy.
All the best, Himanshu ji.
Thank you. This one is a killer oblique workout. Even after 5 years, I find it pretty strenuous as such, but excellent and very effective. Yeah, it works for the entire side, and of course, calf, feet, thighs, even arms also, because we are taking a body weight of only on one arm. So you can imagine if plank is difficult, how much this can be difficult. Guys, one disclaimer: whatever workout you see, whatever I've recorded is only for inspiration purpose. Please do not blindly copy and do any of the things. Do it under the professional guidance or after consulting your physician. Okay, it has taken me years to reach at this level, and remember, Rome was not built in a day. It takes time. Everything works millimeter by millimeter. Thank you. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. And let me thank Deepak. He's been a great buddy. He has taken all the pain and trouble, given his time to record everything for all of us. A big thank you. He's a great buddy and a very helping hand. The youngest member of our group. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.